Alright, you're welcome. Today we'll be making this code design, and the original design idea is from SOND Graphics. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight to business. And I want to make this so I'll start all over again. Let's okay, go over here, and now we'll be starting all over. The image we'll be using, let's bring it here. So this is the using the default image size 1280 by 1280. Then the color of the background, let's pick the color from it's not going to be a pure white. Let's see, I think this is okay. And we'll still bring one other thing to make our work appear a little bit more. The texture, I want to use a texture to see. I want to use a texture, give it some feeling, and there you have it. I'm going to take this to the back and reduce the opacity to, I think this is okay. I just want that texture to be there, so we like it. And the major task is how do we get our image like this. So let me go over to my gallery so you'd see how you can achieve that. There's more than one way you can do that, but I want to use this one that won't take much of your time. So please, if this is the first time on my channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, share, let others know the good work we are doing here in helping young creatives start their career with a smartphone. So we want to see how we'll be able to get that image exactly like that, and there you have it. So this is what we'll be using. We're making use of this, but mind you, take note of how I cropped it. I'll be making the resources available in the description of this tutorial. Just make sure you watch to the end. So this is one way you can achieve this. So the only thing you need to do, go over to your 3D rotate and over the Y axis and make it like this. So this is one way you can achieve that over there. So you want to kind of increase this. Then you go back to texture. Go back to texture, and this is image tool. You just crop it like this, and let's see how this one works out. And you have something like this. So you still go back to texture and scale it. It's at 100%, but scale it till you get something better. So you can make it 160 if you want, you can make it 145, whichever one works well for you. Just make sure there's nothing show at the bottom. So I think this is okay for me. Yeah, okay. This is good to go. So now we've been able to achieve the image that way. So the other thing we need to do is let me see the front. You have to always lock stuff that you're done with. So we've been able to achieve that. The next thing is let's bring in this box like this, and we want it to be kind of like this. The radius should be 10, and now you want to pick the color from the clothes he's wearing. So that is where they got the color of this, and you'll be able to get this. So if you want, you can still increase this. And the next thing we want to do is, okay, let's bring in the this is the original logo. I just got this for the purpose of this tutorial. So let's erase it, and the color will still be that same green that we talked about. This one is clothes, and you want to place it mindful of the alignment. Always put in a grid line if you don't know how this works. But for this, I'll be using this image as a guide. Then the other one is the other thing there, praise gems. So just making it manually. Test praise gems. Praise gems. See the way I give it spacing. There's a reason why, so that it come out well. Praise gems. Then the font will be a Montserrat font. I think I just and this is it. The color will still be that same color. And now I want to get in our shape. Still give it some radius. Then now you want to reduce this. The color still the same green. So let's take it here like this. We'll still have to reduce this. Still have to reduce this. And copy it. Bring it down. And now we've done this. That's one more thing we need to do. This text over here, let's reduce the line spacing. And before that, copy it. Copy it and just keep it there. This one, reduce the line spacing. It shouldn't be much. We have it like this. Now we'll merge the three together. Merge them and place them over here. Place them over here. This one will give it the color white. Then there's a block of text here. I have copied it already. Let me just paste it. God does not merely fight the wars that others see. He invades the hidden struggles no one knows. Seller. So you have it like this. Then we're breaking it the way it falls. Does not merely fight the wars that others see. We'll break the he invades. Break it. He invades the hidden struggles. No one sees. I think it's okay. I think this is okay like this. If you want, you can still do more. But let's leave it like this. Oh, this is okay. Then you can use line spacing to increase it if you want. So copy this. And now you can use this quotation or this our image, this our original image. See what you can do. Just copy it. The original image that we used to get this, then what you do is delete the texture. Delete the texture, go back to texture, delete it, then go back to your crop, then increase it. So you have something like this. So you can now use this for the top. Give this text here. Then the color will be white. You still reduce it. And you have this a bit this way. Still copy it. Once you copy it, go back to crop. Now it's just the top part we want. This. And we'll place it at the bottom. And there you have it. With that, we've done the text. We've achieved that. Then the next thing is we have to write his name. So Prophet Kwasi. Write his name, Prophet Kwasi. Prophet Kwasi. So we'll spend 9 minutes. Prophet Kwasi. The color will be our green, dark green. So you want to place this here, but see what we'll do. We'll give this the background. That same background or this. We want to increase the. You will see why I'm doing all these things. Top 20, bottom. You will see why I'm doing all this. Then reduce this. So let's reduce this. So reduce the size. Make this to be bold. so that to be clearly same. So copy this, and this time around you remove the background, was done in the background, and that's right, put Asante Ano. Asante Ano. And I'm gonna use Montserrat, but the extra bold for that contrast in his name. And now you have it to be like this. So this good. So now you can reduce this the bottom background, so it's okay. And the next thing we'll just go back to shape, bring in a triangle, color this, reduce the size, then rotate it. To 90 degrees. There you have it. There you have it. And we've done virtually everything. That's one more thing that's remaining. Let's bring in this font. Social media icon. Yes. So social media icon will be using to put in his details and all that. So you have it, reduce it to be something like this. The color is green. Then our text, let's copy this. Window. The font to be using now would be maybe the regular or the medium. Just so that to be a little bit sure. Then put powered by media department there. Powered by then copy this. Then put at quasi and increase the size. And with that, we've successfully replicated this quote design, and we've been able to achieve this shape. So you can see this is one way you can do it. The other ways, but I just wanted to highlight this one way for the basic of the tutorial. I want to give a shout out once more to the original design, SOND Graphics, Sun Graphics. And with that, we'll come into the tutorial. Always save as project, then you save as image to the ultra version. And till I come your way again, I remain Kingsley. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the good news so that people can come and join the challenge. See you in our tutorial tomorrow.